So, you're looking for a job in Bangalore's booming BPO or ITS sector. Yeah, it can feel like a total maze, right? Just scrolling and scrolling through endless job listings, trying to figure out which ones are even real. Well, today we're going to cut through all that noise. I'm going to lay out a super direct, proven, and, get this, completely free path to your next job. Okay, let's jump right in. Let's start with just one number 20,000. So, what is this? This isn't just some random statistic we pulled out of thin air. Nope. This number is a promise. It represents real people, real careers launched, and real success stories. It's the foundation of everything we're about to talk about. And here's the story behind that big number. We're talking over 20,000 candidates placed in top-tier companies since 2018. But honestly, the most important part is right there on the screen, completely free of cost. Let me say that again. No hidden fees, no charges to you, the person looking for a job. This whole thing is built on trust and real opportunities, not on taking your money.
So who is making all of this happen? Who's the one building this bridge that connects talented people with these amazing companies? All right, let's pull back the curtain and meet the team that's getting these incredible results. NJ Technologies.
To put it simply, NJ Technologies is a specialist. They are a professional placement firm that is absolutely laser-focused on Bangalore's BPO, KPO, and ITES worlds. You know, this isn't some generic catch-all job board where your resume gets lost. This is a dedicated pipeline straight to the industry you want to be in. They know the companies, they know the roles, and they know exactly what it takes to get you in the door. And their credibility, it speaks for itself. I mean, look at that first point. They're a preferred vendor for multiple Fortune 80 clients. Think about that for a second. Some of the biggest companies on the planet trust them to find their talent. Add to that their deep specialization in BPO, KPO, and ITES, and you can see why they're so effective. It all ties back to their mission, to be that bridge, closing the gap between awesome, talented people just like you and the opportunities that are out there waiting. Okay, this all sounds great, but how does it actually work for you, right? What are the actual practical steps you need to take? Let's break the whole thing down into a clear, simple, and actionable plan. Honestly, this process could not be more straightforward. Step 1, follow their WhatsApp channel. This is your direct line, your inside track to daily, verified job openings. No more wasting time on fake or expired listings. Step 2, find a role that looks like a great fit for you. Step 3, contact the HR recruiter directly. Their details are right there for you. And step 4, and this is a huge one, you attend a face-to-face walk-in interview. It's direct, it's personal, and it's incredibly fast. Now, to make sure this is the perfect fit and to respect everybody's time, there are a few key requirements we need to talk about. So pay close attention here, because this is going to help you know in an instant if this is the right opportunity for you. Okay, there are 3 total non-negotiables. Number 1, you have to physically be in Bangalore right now. Number 2, you need to be ready to join a new company pretty much immediately. And number 3, you've got to be available for those in-person, face-to-face interviews. If you're nodding your head and saying yes to all 3 of these, then you are exactly the person they are looking to help. And hey, you don't have to just take my word for it. Check out this real review from Gaurav Kumar. He got a job at First Source, a major company, with their help in just 1 day. 1 day. This isn't just a promise they're making. These are the actual documented results. It just shows you how fast and effective this direct approach really is. All right, you've seen the proof, you understand the process, you know if it's the right fit for you. So what is your immediate next move? What should you do right now? Let's make it crystal clear. Your very first step, the one thing you can do this very second, is also the simplest. Just pull out your phone and follow the NJ Technologies WhatsApp channel. That's it. That's your entry point. That gets you into the flow of real, verified job updates sent directly to you. And for those of you who are ready to just go for it, here are the details you need. They have 2 branches, one in Koramangala and one in Henner. Both are open for walk-in interviews from Monday all the way through Saturday, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Just show up with your resume. It really is that direct. So, after seeing this clear path forward, the only question left is the one right here on the screen. Are you ready to stop searching and actually start your career? Because the opportunity is right there waiting for you. So, you're looking for a job in Bangalore's booming